Okay, hi all, and this has been a very tricky week this week. The markets have ranged quite a lot. We did get a big strong trend one day, and unfortunately we did not get an entry with our system. There was one entry which was missed, and after that there was no further entries. But it has been a ranging week, and much more than any week we have had many stop outs this week. If you look at our weekly sheet here, we've had 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 losing trades this week, and only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 winning trades. But the thing about this is we do have a very good proven edge in the market, and when it ranges it can stop us out, and sometimes it's best just to stand aside and wait for the trend to form. And really that should have happened with these 3 stop outs here, all one after the other on the DAX. And afterwards I then stood aside and I waited for the trend to form, and then the next DAX trade was a great 2-hour trade. But one of the things about this is, if we keep our stop at a permanent size, and you can see our stop we always keep at $500, so our risk is $500 per trade, and it means even if we get, like in this instance this week, more losing trades than winning trades, we've still come out 4R ahead in the week, because by keeping our risk the same, and we know our edge in the market, we know our strategies constantly make more than 1R. So if we've had a 1R loss and then another 1R loss, but then we get the trade and it makes 3R, we can have more losses than winners. Not that we like to, but it does show that in this week's tricky market, that even with one more loss than one win, we did actually still have a 4R profitable week, which is still a very good week. And looking at it, okay, we ended on a high after these 3 trades here, and this was the last trade of the day on Friday, and it was on the Nasdaq, and it had initially started moving up, and then these moving averages crossed. We got an indication down here on our MACD as to we were going short, and we entered a trade here, the break of this fractal low. We could have possibly entered here, it was another signal, but we're a little bit late, got in on this fractal low. But the stop was okay, it was 15 points, the stop up behind this high, and we followed the trade down. We didn't have on this a fixed target because the Nasdaq can move very quickly. We obviously had a fixed stop, which was $500, and the trade moved nicely into profit, carried on down here, and here we were very well, but you never know where the trade's going. We did have some levels here, and I actually had my eye on down here, which was an extreme gap from the week before. So I thought if we get some momentum, it's going to possibly push down here. And then we got this candle here, reversal, and I was trailing the stop behind these 2-minute candles, and it came up behind this one and it took us out. But we got 47 points and we had a 15-point stop, so 3R or 3.1R, and it again shows that after losing trades like this, because we stick with our methodology, that this trade here, because we stick with our methodology, we still come out on top over the week. So hopefully next week will be an easier week, and we won't have as many stop outs, but we've just got to take each week as it comes. But this again just shows with our methods how we trail, how we came down, and a very good result at the end of the day. Catch everybody next week.